Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Tariq from Comsets University Islamabad Sahiwal campus. Today I will share my views on what is business mathematics, how it is used by commercial enterprise for recording and managing business operation. Business mathematics are mathematics used by commercial enterprises to record and manage business operations. Commercial organizations use mathematics in accounting, inventory management, marketing, sales, forecasting and financial analysis. Mathematics is the soul of any business because a business primarily revolves around the transaction of money or products that have some monetary value. Involvement of money makes it extremely important to have sufficient knowledge about the basis of calculations. This is where business mathematics come into play. It deals with the fundamental topics that one needs to carry out business related calculations. So here we are going to learn about the mathematical tools needed for business calculations along with their applications. Ratios, proportions, law of indices, exponents, logarithms and anti-logarithms, simultaneous linear equation up to 3 variables, quadratic and cubic equations in 1 variable, types of algebra of matrices, determinant of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, solving equation by Cramer's rule, linear inequalities. Beginning in the 6th century with the Pythagoreans, the ancient Greeks began a system study of mathematics as a subject in its own right with Greek mathematics. Around 300 BC, Euclid introduced the axiomatic method still used in mathematics today, consisting of definition, axiom, theorem and proof. Mathematics in real life. The fact is we all use math in everyday applications whether we are aware of it or not. If you look hard enough, you will see math emerge from some of most unlikely places. Mathematics is the universal language of our environment, helping mankind explain and create from playing games to playing music. Math is vital to helping students find their creativity and turn dreams into reality. Commercial enterprises include the grocery store. Math is in the grocery store. One of the most obvious places to find people using math in everyday life is at your neighborhood grocery store. Grocery shopping requires a broad range of math knowledge from multiplication to estimation and percentages. Each time you calculate the price per unit, weight, produce, figure percentage, discounts and estimate the final price, you are using math in your shopping experience. So math is everywhere, operating in real life, always around us. Thank you so much.